Not that we. Holy sh. What? So we're trying to hit as many waterfalls as possible. We're located in Ithaca, New York, which has the most waterfalls in a 10 square mile radius, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. I think it's 150 waterfalls. Fly the drone over every single one of them in 12 hours. 8 o'clock now. Let's do this. Liars. What was that called, Calvin?
Lucifer Falls.
Lucifer Falls. Devil Falls. Just Lucifer. That one was pretty epic. I've never been there. It's pretty big too. Welcome to Treman Falls. It's beautiful, man. 8 o'clock, 8:30, right on target. Why are people out here this early? Do it, let's jump in. So where are we at, Calvin?
We are at Buttermilk Falls.
I said, what are we at?
What are we at? Waterfalls.
What number?
I
lost count.
Are we counting all the little ones inside?
Oh, I feel like we probably should.
Park number 2, I think we're on falls like number 5 or 6.
What are you doing? Gotta get the picture. Snapchat. Say goodbye to your drone. Bye, drone. So one of the reasons we did this today is because it's supposed to be 70, 60? 70 degrees.
73.
So it's been cold. I didn't even bring a jacket. It's been super cold. It's been like 40 this whole time. Cloudy is, you know, I'm freezing. But now, I think the sun's coming out. Thank God. So close, but yet so far. All right, well. What?
We can go down there somewhere. I can fly up. I can get a picture of both bridges from the drone.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I mean, I can take off from over here, fly over. I just won't be able to go like too crazy far because I'll be able to see like where I'm at.
I wouldn't risk it here. I feel like there's so many people. There's
If I take off down here.
There's cameras. There's. I bet security would show up in an instant. I mean, it's your drone. It's up to you. One thing that sucks about shooting all these waterfalls is if you pee a lot, like me, you're always gonna have to pee here. And I've literally peed about 6 times now. It's great. Oh, it's illegal, sir. You have a permit? It says restricted area. All right, I'll be in the car. I said I'll be in the car. All right, I'll wait on you. Hurry up, I'm scared. we really timed this wrong because the gorge trail doesn't technically open till May. So right now we're just going around the edges and
Breaking the law.
no, we're not breaking the law. But so now we're done with Ithaca. We hit all the state parks there besides Tughannock. How do you say it? Tughannock. But everyone's seen that and we've been there. About 2, hit about 6 falls so far. Half the day's gone. Now I'm about to hit a lot here. Hopefully.
Like, we can't even go anywhere.
I mean, we could.
You can't.
Why?
Look at the ice that's on the trail right there.
We go underneath it.
Yeah.
See that?
I don't think you can.
Yeah, you can. Oh, it just got really dark. What? Wow! This is epic. I did not think this was that epic. It goes right in the lake, too.
It's all like private.
So dangerous. Doing crazy. That's smart. That's smart. Bye, Paul. I like these ones. A little dangerous, but it's almost 8 o'clock. 12 hours later. We're still trucking. Still going, finding new falls. There's so many falls everywhere. It's ridiculous. Yeah, all these count. 1, 2. Boom, boom. At least this has rails. It's a lot more safer. It's not closed off either. Not that we've... Holy sh**. What? This is like a side turn. We didn't think we would actually see anything here. We're at the end.
I know.
Ah. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching. As you can tell at the end of the video, I was getting a little delirious there. So I just wanted to wrap everything up quick. We hit our goal, 12 waterfalls in 12 hours. Obviously we did a lot more if you want to count the smaller waterfalls in between, but we wanted to hit those big waterfalls that were over 100 feet at least. So much fun. I highly encourage you guys to go check it out yourself. We barely scratched the surface. There's so many waterfalls in New York, especially around the Finger Lakes area. So go check it out. I'll put a list of all the falls we hit down below, along with a map that has every single waterfall location in the state of New York. Go check it out, and thanks again.